Hey everybody, Mr. AP here. So, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna explain to you, I'm gonna show you how to do this in Java. So, it's gonna be easier if we divide this application into several classes. And when I say classes, I'm talking about panels in this particular application. So, and in the real world, actually, so this is going to be divided into several sections. So, several programmers could work on it. And then at the end, everything is collected and combined into one application. So that is our goal. So in order for us to meet that goal, we have to divide this application window into several sections or classes or panels. So the first panel is for this section here. So this is where the labels are, this is where the images are, this is where the buttons are, and that another section is the one that shows the information about the order, and also that includes the total amount the customer shall pay. And the last section that we're going to have for this application is the section where the single button is, and that button is called order now. And if this button is clicked, so the order made by the customer is processed. So if that is clear to everybody, so let's start working on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new project. So you may click on File menu, then click New, or simply click on this button on the upper left corner of your Eclipse. Click on the pull down and just click the Java project option. And of course, we have to give this project a name. Let me give pizza order form as the name of this project. Now, in the bottom, there is a checkbox here that is ticked or checked. So I want you to uncheck it. We don't want the module for now, okay? So please uncheck the box if your module box is checked. Then just click the finish button. And voila, the project is now created. So all we need to do next is inside that project we create a package. So just simply right click on that new project, click new or select new and click on package. Now this package is where is the folder where all the classes are stored or saved. So let's give this package a name. So let's just call this pizza. I'm sorry, pizza. That's it. And just click the finish button. And there it is, the single package so far in that project. And inside this package, we need to create our very first class, which is the application window. So just click on new, right click on the new package, by the way, then click place your pointer on new, so this would appear. And of course, we need to create a form or simply called application window. So we need to click on other. And in this dialog box, there are several folders. And the one we need among these folders is the last one, which is called window builder. Just open it. And inside the swing designer folder, we need the application window to create the form. So just click on the application window from the swing designer folder and then click next. And this is the time where we give this class a name, this application a name. So let me call this pizza order form. So this will be our main form. Okay, this is the form that I showed you. This form, this is the one that we are creating right now. So in order for us to have this, we need to create an application window for that. So after typing the application name, just click the finish button. And voila, our application window is now created. If you want to see the design, just click on the design button on the lower in the bottom. So this is the design of our application. If you want to run it, of course, click on the run button. But since we just created this, so there's nothing in it yet. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to put all those panels, how to add those panels to this form. See ya.